Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Kayla from Pumps and Pouts. Today I'm going to be doing this little look here, this natural, effortless little day look here. This is perfect for like running errands, quick little meetings, those mornings that you wake up late and you're just like, okay, let me put myself together and get out of the house. So I am using some new products that I got from this company called Merit, and I absolutely love how minimalist and eco-friendly, and also just they're such a chic little brand. I thought it was really nice to be able to have, not that many products to create a nice little natural look like this. So if this is your first time watching one of my videos, welcome to my channel. I am a fashion, beauty, and lifestyle blogger and love doing some makeup tutorials to show you guys how I get ready. Whether it's natural like this or super glam, you will get it all. If you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. I'm excited to have you here and show you these products and how I create this look. So without further ado, let's hop into it. So let's get started. So first I'm going to add some primer, and this is the Revlon Prime Plus. This is their mattifying pore reducing one. I like this one because it gives me a nice matte but not too dried out finish. There we go. So now I want to get into my Merit items, a few of them first. So the first one that we'll be checking out is the Perfecting Complexion Stick. And this is in shade Sepia. It's like a little crown here. And so you can twist it up, twist it out, twist it down. I love their packaging. It's super minimal and like chic. What I really love about the brand the most is that they are eco-friendly and vegan, cruelty-free, and just that minimalist type company. So less is more, which is these days is my motto, is less is more. So just apply, and then I'm gonna go back in with a little complexion brush here and just work that into my face. I love how creamy the texture is, how lightweight it is, and it's also pretty buildable. So if you want to like add a little bit more, if you feel you need a little more coverage, you can go back and do that. But this is a great everyday complexion stick for sure. I'm actually going to go back and add a little bit around my smile lines because I feel like those usually tend to be problematic for me. And go in and blend that in like so. And there we go. All right, so now that I got my complexion product on, next I'm gonna roll into brows. And I'm gonna be using the Merit volumizing pomade, brow pomade here. And this is in black brown. Like I said, I really love their packaging. So chic and like simple, very like luxe, but minimal. So one of my favorite things about this brow product is that it doesn't have a whole ton of product on the brush, which is nice. So it's not all like uber goopy, because I feel like every time I use one of these type of brow pomades that has like a brush or a brow gel, too much comes out and then I get like blocky eyebrows. Like it doesn't look natural and I have to go back and do a lot of cleaning up and all that good stuff. Also, because it doesn't have so much product coming out of it, it does leave you room to go back and add more to get the look that you're looking for. So that's why I really love that. And honestly, most of the products seem to be that way, like less is more. Wonderful. Okay, so now that the brows is done, I'm just gonna add a light, a little bit of shadow, not a whole lot, but just in order to keep the creases away. Go in my crease area with the Fenty Beauty eyeshadow primer here. I'm just gonna dab that into my crease to prevent just a little shimmer shadow from sliding around everywhere. And then for my shadow, I'm just gonna use this Natasha Denona. This is from, I guess, the Zendo palette, and this little sample shade that I got. Shade Sense 384M. Just a little sample. And I'm gonna apply that to my lid, just to give me a little bit of shimmer up here. I love doing little bronzy shimmer shades on my lid because they, you know, it's kind of like a nude shade for me, but just an elevated nude. And then I may go in, I think I'm gonna do a little small cat eye, just a little wingtip. So this is Sex Kitten liner, pen liner from Tarte. I'm just gonna draw a small little wing, nothing crazy here. Simple little cat eye. Then we can move on to some concealer. Hide my sleepless little bags away. So this is the Rare Beauty concealer here in shade 460W. I really like the applicator on this one, so I'm just gonna do a quick little dab here. Dab there, a little here, and a little there, and call it a day. May do just a wee bit here too, and that's it. So go back in, work that into my under eye area. Wonderful. So now I am going to do a little bit of contouring with the Tarteist. This is their Park Avenue or something sake. I can't remember because all the writings were all gone off of it. They don't carry this product anymore, but they do have a different bronzer now type of ordeal, which I also like. And it's pretty much about the same thing as a cream, but I like this one because it's just a stick and it's quick and easy to like grab and go. So yeah, I'm just gonna add some of this around here, a little down my nose. Blend away with that. Blend, 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 blend. Then we're gonna add some powder, and I'm just gonna use the Charlotte Tilbury airbrush powder. Flawless airbrush flawless finish. I'm just gonna use that to set underneath my eyes, next to my nose, maybe a little on my forehead just to keep myself from melting. And that's about it. Now we can move on to some blush color, and this is the Merit cheek color and in shade Mood. I really love this cheek color. One, I love the way the applicator is, like it's just a little short stick, but you can just dab it onto your cheeks to give you this beautiful natural flush. And this rosy like cranberry shade is just really pretty, especially for deeper skin tones. I really love this one. And then you can always go back in and work it with your finger to give you more of a natural flush. Dab, 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 dab. And there we go. After that, I'm gonna apply the Merit, this is their highlighting balm, and it's like a highlighter stick here. It's a cute little chic highlighter stick. And I just like to dab a little bit here. A little on my nose. A little up here. And on my chin. And then we'll go back in and blend with our fingers. Give that natural glow. What I like, also what I love about the Merit products, you know, they're definitely something you can use with your fingers to blend and work in to give you such a beautiful natural finish. It really does just give you that effortless look. And I love that about it. Now that all of that is done, I am going to set my face. Like I said, I'm an oily girl, especially in the summertime. In the winter, I'm dry, so it's really frustrating. My skin just does what it wants to do. Set that. And then I'm gonna use the Merit Perfect Black. This is their lengthening mascara, again with the beautiful packaging, so chic and sleek. Again, also like the brow pomade, this doesn't have a lot of product that comes off on the brush, so you're not gooping together and clumping up your lashes. So I love that it gently separates them and gives you the length and volume that you need. Last, I'm going to do a little lip color, and this is the Merit tinted lip oil in Marrakesh. It's a beautiful, like kind of a terracotta orange maybe, or coral kind of. It's super lightweight. It's not sticky like a gloss. It's just a little henna color with some shine. And it's really pretty on. Love. Okay, so that is it. That is the look. Simple, easy, effortless, quick, you know, natural little look. Okay guys, so I'm all done with this look. Like I said, this is something easy and quick you can do to get you out of the house. If you're in a rush, or if you just want to look and feel a little more put together, just to go run errands or do whatever you gotta do. Me as a new mom, I don't get the chance to put on a ton of makeup like I used to anymore. So something quick and easy and refreshing like this look here is always definitely one of my go-tos to do. I definitely will be working in these new Merit products a little more often. I really love the fact the brand, you know, its core values of being eco-friendly and cruelty-free, and also just being that minimalist and effortlessly chic brand. Less is more. Less is more sometimes, you know? So I really like that and think that this turned out really beautiful. So I don't know. You guys let me know what you think. Have you ever tried Merit before? Do you like the kind of minimalist style makeup? I know, especially since this whole pandemic, we've been doing a lot less. So we feel we should probably do a little less. I'm, a makeup gal, but I still want to wear makeup in just not a full face, especially when I don't have nowhere to go. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. As usual, you can find me on Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, and Facebook. And make sure you stop by pumpsandpouts.com. There are some new posts up, so make sure you give them some love. Until next time, I'll see you guys later. Bye!